continue with the interview.
Mm.
Okay, Mahamudul. So my next question to you, like, can you just give me some benefits of using Next.js over React, like for the SEO performance and optimization?
Yeah. I think we were discussing that earlier that React does everything on the client side. That means you get an empty HTML and then you get the JavaScript bundle. So everything is rendered on the server, so on the client by those JavaScript files. So the SEO crawlers, whenever they are searching for data in that web page, they do not get anything. They get an empty HTML. So that is very bad for SEO. So if we want to add some SEO performance to React, we have to use some other React server components and other like third-party libraries, so which is very troublesome and has too much boilerplate. So that's why we are actually using Next.js because it gives us built-in SEO support with server-side rendering, our static site generation, our incremental static generation. So we can manage everything with the server and on the client side. So we can do both. If we want to do client-side rendering, we can do that. If we want to do server-side rendering, we can do that. So it is we have more control over our rendering process. So that gives us more SEO optimization.
Okay, so like I have a follow-up question for that. Like you
Mhm.
said, like Next.js have server-side rendering. That's why like it's
Mhm.
like from the server it give you HTML template and all of your
Mhm.
contents. But in React.js, like if we install some third-party npm package, we can do it also like for the issue purpose. Like
Mhm.
then why like we should use Next.js rather than React.js?
Yeah, I think it's easier. I think it's easier to use Next.js and there's the whole thing of Next.js. It is easier to use in Next.js, and also Next.js does some optimization by default that makes our web pages much faster than React. It also gives us other optimization, like we have built-in image optimizations that we don't have in React. We have built-in routing system, that is our file-based routing system. So it is not just SEO. We also have other features and functionalities that Next.js provides us. That's why we use Next.js.
Yes, and Next.js also provide authentication next auth. We don't
Yes,
have to install third-party
yes,
application
it,
or
it gives us
third-party
a lot
engine.
of lot of lot of features and functionalities by default.